Oh my gosh. Super pigmented niya. Oh my gosh. I forgot lip gloss. Wait. I'm gonna call a friend for that. Kuya Patrick, can you help me? Wait. Oh, ano? Bango niya. Wait. Ang napili ni Kuya Patrick for me is this one. R02. So, let's try it. Oh my gosh. Super pigmented niya.
Hirap niya matanggal.
Can I borrow tissue? Guys, let's see.
So, transfer.
Tingnan natin siya. Oh my gosh! Lip gloss and lip tint na siya at the same time. Kasi pag nawala na yung lip gloss, ang ganda!
Nag-i-stay pa din.
See, nagsistay pa din siya, guys. Look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! So, guys, so me,